Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PAPE token. We're going to check to see if this token here that's advertised all over Twitter, I mean I've seen this thing advertised so much on Twitter, it's ridiculous. But yeah, we're going to go over the PAPE token and see if there's any warnings here that tell us that this token may be a scam or not, because at first glance, when I see this getting spammed in my face all the time on Twitter, like buy PAPE, buy PAPE, buy PAPE, get the PAPECOIN pre-sale, eventually I'm like, oh, let me look into this, and I have noticed some sketchiness here, and we're going to go over that and the info on this token here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, all I could find, even though this is advertised all over Twitter, they may have some socials somewhere. But on their webpage, it says they have socials. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of their webpage, right in the bottom right-hand corner, there is a link to their Twitter and their Telegram. And what happens when you click on both of them? Nothing. Nothing happens. It takes you all the way back to the top of the page. Even if you put your cursor over top of it, it doesn't say any sort of Twitter or Telegram address. It says pape-coin.xyz, and it'll just take you right back to the top of the page. So, right away, that's strange. You don't have any socials whatsoever linked on your webpage, not even one. Now, they have a button here that also says pre-sale unlock. Nothing happens when you click on that. Now, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, I'm going to put what their pre-sale page looks like here. Now you can see it says stage 2, and there's a countdown, and it shows you how much tokens they've sold in stage 2. So it says they've already sold $477,522 worth of tokens as of recording this video anyways, and their goal here is $600,000. There's a countdown. Shows the price for stage 3, because how these pre-sales work is now the price is this certain amount, and then it'll increase in the next stage, and so it's an incentive to get in early. And then underneath it says connect the wallet, so that's how you buy the token, is you connect the wallet. Underneath that has the listing price of what it'll be listed as when it goes live on DEXs. Now, as you can see in the top right-hand corner of the screen, it says audited and verified, and you think, oh cool, it's got an audit. You know what else it says? You'll see right under PAPE here. It says PAPE, so it tells you it's an Ethereum token because it says PAPE paired with ETH. Then underneath it says view contract, and it's highlighted. So you scroll your mouse over that, you click on that, guess what happens? Nothing. Takes you right back to the home page again. So is the contract verified? Is it? Because, you click on it, view the contract. I don't even know if it exists. Does even a contract exist? I can't find it. It's not on the page, right? They have a how to buy section. It tells you how to download a wallet, how to create it. There's no contract address in there. You know what? There's no contract address on the whole page. So, is there even a contract address? Does the token even exist? Or are you just basically giving money to who knows what? I don't know. Can't find the contract. You know what? Also, it says audited and verified. And for some reason, when you put your cursor over the audit button there, nothing happens. It doesn't even highlight. But then when you put your cursor over the verified button, you think, oh, great, that's where the audit is, or at least a KYC or something. You click on that, guess what? Nothing happens either. So not only is there no contract address on the whole page, there's no socials. It says it's audited, but you can't find the audit. Where are all these things? They don't exist, right? Well, they don't exist on this page unless you have another hidden page somewhere that's not attached or linked to this pre-sale page somewhere. Then there's basically nothing on here. So it basically just says, welcome to PAPE, the digital realm where strength, wisdom, confidence converge to create cryptocurrency like no other, inspired by the iconic meme culture. PAPE embodies the essence of a father figure in the meme world, showcasing muscularity, assertiveness, and wealth knowledge. Now, it says a groundbreaking cryptocurrency, inspired strength and wisdom, combining, blockchain, blah, blah, blah. Talking about their pre-sale. Goes over how to buy. And then tokenomics. Huge supply. It says 90% goes to pre-sale and 10% central exchanges. So it doesn't even have DEXs listed on here or nothing. It says ticker symbol PAPE. Huge supply of tokens. That's a billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion, 690 trillion. It says no taxes, no hidden fees. We believe in straightforward approach for our community. Contract ownership will be renounced. So it's saying it's not even renounced if it even exists. Full decentralization achieved, ensuring integrity and security. And then, so here's another crazy thing here. So it says phase 1 of their roadmap, pre-sale and then audit. So audit comes after pre-sale. So they're saying they're not going to get an audit until the pre-sale is over, I guess. And then it says huge marketing kick in, press releases, articles. Phase 2 is partnerships, central exchanges, top tier listings, merchandise, meme takeover, Twitter trending. And then it says there's no connection between Poppy and Matt Fury's Pepe. And and then basically that's it. So, I mean, just to go over in a nutshell what this page says to me here anyways. There, you can't find the contract address even though it says view contract. There's no audit even though it has a check mark and says audited. You can't find the audit. You can't find the team members. You can't even find socials or a contact email or anything. You can't find anything. So, I mean, I don't even need to keep going. I mean, that's enough right there. So I've been reviewing tokens in the past day or so, talking about do these tokens have potential scam risks? I would say this has the most potential scam risks that I've seen so far, and I haven't even reviewed an audit by them. At least if I reviewed an audit and there was some warnings on it and some good things, there'd be a mixed opinion. This one, I mean, I can't even say one good thing about it because there's little to no security whatsoever that I could even review on this token. So definitely take this one with 1,000 grains of salt, but I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about PAPE? Do you think this is a good investment? Sorry. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.